everyone. So this is week 4 and we will talk about exponents. Exponents are very important and actually we will talk about product of powers, but I want to first overview the exponents in here and I will have 2 videos for you, and I choose a negative number so that it will be easier for you to like, you won't be curious about the negative numbers afterwards because most of you know how 2 to the power of 2 is, or 3 to the power of 2 is. I know some of you are confusing 3 to the power of 2 by 6 because you think that you multiply 3 by 2, but it is actually 3 times 3, because in this one the power of this number, which in the exponents, the base number is the big number, and then there's small number on top. That is the power of the number. So it duplicates or triplet your power, or the number of the power. So it's kind of like, think about it. If you're just a regular 2, you're a plain person, okay? You don't have any supernaturals. However, if I put 2 on top of you, just a little tiny bit of 2, then you will double your skills. That's kind of like you're Spider-Man now, or Batman. No, Batman is not counted because it can kind of, it's I hope I won't confuse you, but yes, it is Spider-Man because Batman doesn't have supernatural powers and it has money. So it's like we are talking about, if Spider-Man is $2 $2 and Batman is maybe 2 billion. So that's how it overcomes the exponent power, because 2 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So Spider-Man gets 4. However, or 2 to the power of 10, let's say, and then it will be 2,000 something. But because Batman has money, and then it can like really overcome the Spider-Man's power, that kind of thing. So anyways, the power is what makes the number, what triples, doubles, or whatever the power, the little number on top of it, gives more strength to that number. And so you multiply, not with the number on top, you multiply by itself the number by how many times? The number that shows on top, okay? So if it is 2 to the power of 2, I multiply 2 by 2 times. 2 times 2, 4. If it is 2 to the power of 6, I multiply that by 2 times 2, 8 times, okay? Repeatedly, and that's how I get. So I will talk in this video on that. The volume is very low. I'm sorry about that, but it's a very good video. It shows you visually what to do, how to solve. You can stop the video at any time, and you can get the you can solve these things. I'll have another short video after this. Please follow that too. So let's watch this video first.
Helpful to work with large numbers and very small numbers. Now, what is these exponents? So I have a number a, and then it has a power n. What is this? So a is my base, and this n is the power, or the exponent. When I see like power, that means I am making this number powerful, very powerful. The base gets powerful. It's almost like supernatural or superhero type of stories, okay? And number has extraordinary powers, okay? So then now we know this. exponents, because they are powers, you will write n times the power. So let's write this one. 4 to the power of 7 means I have to multiply this 4 7 times by itself. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that is what it is. I have to solve this, I don't want to. And then if it is 2 to the power of 11, then I'm not multiplying 2 times 11. I'm multiplying 2 11 times by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Do I write the answer? No, it's just I'm showing the how you open up the. And then there is an example by negative numbers in here. So I would say the rule to you, but I want you to see the rule in here by yourself. So we are going to do this one actually. Now, -5 to the power of 1, that means this one is just one time you have to multiply. Now what does it will become? It will be -5. Now I have to write this one 2 times, so that means -5 times -5. A little -5 times -5 times -5. Then we got it -5 times -5 times -5 times -5. 4 times I multiply by itself. So now I wrote it all of them in the open form. As you can see, I multiply by itself whatever the number is in here. So then now I am trying to solve these. So -5 is -5, but negative times -5 times -5 is actually positive 27 by 25. Then -5 times -5 times -5 again 3 times. So like 5 times 5, positive 25 times -5 will be -125. Then I am 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 5, 25, 25, 25 is positive 625. Then I will multiply one more time. Then it will be -20 to 3,125. Then I am multiplying it. It will be positive 15,625. Do you see a pattern at this? Now, do you see a pattern? This is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. So at this point, you should see a pattern in here. What's our pattern? Every time when I see 2, 4, 6, which means even number, I got a positive result. And every time if it is 1, 5, 3, 7, I get a negative thing. That means I can write my own rule in here. A to the power of n is -a. -a. To the power of a is less than 0 if n is negative. And then I will write the same thing. -a to the power of n is bigger than 0 if n is positive, as you can see. So even powers on negative numbers, or in this case integers, will result positive, but odd numbers powers on negative odd powers on negative integers will result negative. So I found it. I don't have to write these. I know that the answer will be for this is a negative, and then this will be positive, this will be negative, and this will be positive, because 10 is even, 9 is odd. I will see you in the next
Okay,
video.
so our video is done for this one, and then now I will show you the second video, but I will not I will probably not post in this video because it will be a very long video then. I will post it underneath as a different video so you can watch this one too. It's a very good video. It follows the first ones. It's just solving more problems. So I hope you all liked all of the videos, and I want to say goodbye to you with our week 4 announcement. Video lesson is linked here. So if you click on here, you will go there. Weekly announcements are here, so you post there. If you need if you have a question and you want to ask me, just please follow these links for my office hours. If not, then you can just reach out to me on from Teams and talk to your coaches about the state exams. And this is it for this week. Have a good week.